If you're starting your path to becoming a mortgage loan originator, the NMLS exam can feel like this big thing sitting in the distance, and you're probably wondering where to even begin. The best place to start isn't memorizing pages of information. It's understanding what the test is really about, how it's put together, and how to prepare in a way that feels calm and logical. Today, I'm walking you through the basics you actually need before you study, so you can start the process feeling clear, capable, and confident in every step that comes next. Let's start with the layout of the test. The exam has 120 questions, but only 110 count toward your final score. You get 190 minutes to finish, which gives you a comfortable pace if you approach each question thoughtfully. The passing score is 75%. That means success is built on understanding the core ideas, not getting every question perfect. Now let's look at the 5 main areas the test pulls from. The first is federal lending rules, which are the guidelines that make sure loans are handled properly and borrowers are protected. The second is general loan knowledge, which is simply understanding how lending works in real life. The third is the loan process, meaning the steps a loan goes through from start to finish. The fourth is ethics, which is just a focus on honesty and doing things the right way. The fifth is state basics, which is understanding that each state has its own rules layered on top of the federal ones. You're going to see a lot of terms that might feel new, but once you attach them to a real situation, they're simple to grasp. APR is just the yearly cost of a loan including fees. RESPA helps borrowers see closing costs clearly before signing. TILA explains loan details in plain language. These are not codes to memorize, they're everyday borrower protections. Say the terms out loud, put them on flashcards, and use them in sentences. That's how they start to stick. Let's talk scoring again quickly, because this is where most people overthink. You need 75% of 110 questions to pass. That means you can miss 27 questions and still pass. This test rewards recognition and understanding. The people who pass aren't special, they just studied the right areas consistently and practiced questions early. The best way to prepare is by studying in sections and proper routine. Start with federal rules because so many questions connect back to them. Then move into loan knowledge, then process, then ethics, then state basics. And work in short sessions. Practice questions early. When you do enough of them, you stop memorizing blindly and start recognizing how the test asks questions. That recognition is confidence, and confidence is what helps you pass. Real Estate U organizes its mortgage licensing courses in a same section-by-section way we're talking about. Lessons that build on each other. A clear path you can follow at your own speed. It's built for people starting from the beginning who want a system that makes learning feel structured, not stressful. If this helped you today, hit like so more aspiring loan officers can find this video. If you're ready for a course that walks you through exam prep in a clear order, visit realestateu.com. You've got this.